Okay, so we got our geometry set up now. Our next step is to get a job going. Alright, we'll set our 0 position. Alright, so now the toolpath we want to use is called 3-axis wireframe. So we're going to right click on our setup, come down to 3-axis wireframe. We're going to go to select geometry. And select the profile we want to work with, which is this one. Okay, we're going to choose OK. From here, we're going to go to our tool and set our tool size. Okay, from here, this we want to say to cut to geometry, which is how I have it set up. Alright, and then now that's just going to take that wireframe and turn it into a profile. Now, if you want to take multiple passes, what you can do is go to here. You can say how much per pass and how many passes you're going to take. Alright, so the way that it links, it might be a little funky, so you may need to change your rapid height so it doesn't do some of this up-down stuff. So if we edit our feature, we go to here, change this to 0.3. Alright, now that will look a little more logical. Comes down, goes around, comes up, comes down, goes around, comes up. Okay, so that's 3-axis wireframe.